Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to fix AC laptop keyboard key is not working. You are having trouble with your AC laptop keyboard. Let's go through some troubleshooting steps to help identify and possible fix the issue. Restart your laptop, complete reboot, press and hold the power button until your laptop turns off, unplug the power adapter and if you can take out the battery, wait a few seconds, then plug the power back in and turn the laptop on again. This can reset the hardware and might fix the keyboard problems. Check for external device conflicts. Disconnect peripherals, remove all external devices like USB drive, external keyboards, and mice. Restart your laptop and check if the keyboard works. Sometimes external devices can interfere and disable the built in keyboard. Clean the keyboard, remove debris, turn off your laptop and disconnect it from any power sources. Use compressed air to gently blow out dust and debris from between the keys. For any sticky spot, slightly damp a lint-free cloth with isopropyl alcohol and wipe the keys. Make sure the keyboard is completely dry before turning the laptop back on. Disable filter keys. Windows settings, go to settings, then ease of access, then go to keyboard. Ensure that filter keys is turned off. This feature can cause the keyboard to ignore brief or repeated keystrokes leading to unresponsiveness. Update or reinstall keyboard driver. Device manager, press Windows plus X and select device manager. Expand the keyboard section. Right click on your keyboard device and select update driver. Choose search automatically for updated driver software. If updating doesn't help, right click the keyboard device, select uninstall device. Then restart your laptop. Windows should automatically reinstall the appropriate driver upon reboot. Check keyboard layout settings, language and input settings. Navigate to settings. Then go to time and language, then tap on language. Ensure your preferred language is selected. Click on your language, then select options under keyboards. Ensure the correct keyboard layout is added. An incorrect layout can result in unresponsive characters or unresponsive keys. Run the troubleshooter. Windows troubleshooter. Go to settings, then go to update and security troubleshoot, then go to additional troubleshooters. Select keyboard and click run the troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions to detect and fix issues. Inspect for hardware issues, physical examination. Look for any visible damage or a debris under the keys. If some key feels sticky or difficult to press, dot or residue might be the culprit. Cleaning under the affected keys can often restore their functionality. Internal connections, a loose or damaged ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard can lead to malfunctioning keys. If you are comfortable doing so, you can open the laptop to check the connections. If not, it's best to seek professional help. Test with an external keyboard. USB keyboard, plug in an external keyboard using to your laptop. If it functions properly, this suggests that problem is with the laptop's built-in keyboard, indicating a hardware issues. If your keyboard is still unresponsive after these steps, it may signal a hardware failure. In such cases, it's advisable to contact Acer support or visit a certified technicians for further diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.